Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2013 Dodge Dart Limited. There's probably a little clip or something. You gotta push down, tab or something.
Yeah. Right here.
Yep, it just slides out.
It's like stuck. What the hell is it stuck on? Can't see way up in there. I don't know if it actually comes out all the way.
Might not.
Oh my god, this
Oof.
is black.
Oof.
It's gotta come out more because it's like crushing the filter.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell it's stuck on.
There's probably another clip on the top.
Can't get my hand up in there. There it is.
I'll pull that dirty piece of crap out.
It's still like... Oof. Oh my god.
That thing's destroyed. Oh god.
Wow.
That's dirty. We'll get our new one out. Oh. There's a big difference there. It's what, 6 years old, the car?
Yeah, 7 now.
Yeah. Dirty.
6, yeah, so.
And you gotta make sure you gotta put it in the right way. There's probably arrows on the. Yep, see that goes in that way. Yep.
Oh god, now I gotta figure out how to get this in.
Without crushing it.
Yeah. That's gonna be the problem. Just like that, I guess.
Yep. That's
Now
it.
the hard part's gonna be clipping it back in.
It probably just slides up in there. Probably a little thing that holds it. Slides up in it.
You can't see anything either.
Kind of get it in there and slap it in place, and
Pretty much all there is to it.
good to go. $10, easy change, new filter. There's the part number. $10, done.